Hey everyone, so we've just done our first and only, as it turns out, tyre test for this year for Pikes Peak, and as you can see behind me, there's the beast. It's been a pretty full-on day. In fact, it was extremely busy. We did the bottom and the top section in one hit. Normally we have 2 days where we would normally do the bottom section and then the top section. So in total we only got 3 runs. Actually, sorry, I beg your pardon, it was 4 runs. So we had 3 on the bottom and 1 on the top. The top was crazy dusty, like rooster tails, 2-foot tall rooster tails coming off the back of motorcycles on road racing tracks is always a little bit gnarly. So, I'm hoping that the track clears up a lot between now and then. Just gotta, ride to the conditions. And look, today there's no worries about times or anything today. Today is simply just suck it and see. Just make sure we know which direction we're going and all that kind of stuff. So it's all good. The bike's handling really well. We've got a few things that we've got to work on. We've got to try and get our gearing sorted. Gearing is, obviously we've never ridden this bike here before, so we're totally sort of out there in terms of gearing. We're not too sure where we're going to be, but we know where we've got to be, but we're still going to get there. Got to do a bit of work on the suspension as well. Every year when you come to Pikes Peak, there's more bumps, and they're in weird places, and they're either sharp and soft and like all kinds of crazy bumps. So we've got a bit of suspension work to do, but look, all in all, pretty happy with how it's gone so far. We're now going back to California for a week and a half, and then we're back here for race week, so I'll catch up with you guys then. Cheers. See ya.